Hi everyone, I'm going to explain you how I fit the kick of a Roland TD17 into a share, okay? So first of all, you get your share and you need to make a little rebate inside. So I don't know if you can see it, can you get closer? Okay, so there is a rebate here, okay? So then you need to cut a plywood. This is a plywood, a 12 mil thick, in the same shape of your base drum. Okay. Then you fit your kick with some screws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. So you okay, onto your plywood. Okay, you need to also to get a little extension for your extension cable, so you can attach your drum here. Okay, so when you have this, you just fit this into your bass drum. Okay, and then you screw this panel, the plywood, onto the rebate you made earlier. That's it, you have it. Have a good luck. Bye. This is plywood. I shake the plywood very precisely, very precise, so you can have it stuck in very nicely. Okay. If you wish, you can screw a couple screws here against the shell, and you have it. A plywood, then you stick the plywood different layers together to form a little shell. Then you have to make a notch here so this can fit into it. Alright? So when you have this, you have kind of rebate here as well, you know. Okay. When you fit this in, then so I put this small little piece of wood and I screw this against the other wood. So the shell doesn't come off the actual pad. Then I just add then here you have to make a hole in order to attach the cable. Just you have to be very precise there.